Welcome to English Speedcast.
Daniel, over here. Wow, it feels like ages since I last saw you.
Emma, I know. It's been, 6 months? You look great. How have you been?
I've been good. Busy, but good. I've been trying this new thing where I actually sit down and enjoy my mornings instead of rushing everywhere.
Really? I wish I could do that. I've been living on coffee and stress for months.
Still at that crazy job?
Not anymore, actually. I quit last month.
Wait, really? Whoa, that's a big move. What happened?
Honestly, I just burned out. Late nights, constant deadlines, 0 weekends. I woke up one morning and realized I didn't even like what I was doing.
I get that. So what are you doing now?
Nothing and everything. I'm taking a break, clearing my head, trying to plan my next step.
That sounds healthy. Sometimes slowing down is the smartest thing you can do.
Yeah, I'm trying, but I'm not used to having free time. What about you? Still doing your early morning journaling thing?
I am. I wake up at 6:30, make tea, write a little, and then come here before work. It makes my whole day feel lighter.
See, that sounds peaceful. Maybe I need a routine like that.
You totally should. Mornings feel different when you don't rush through them.
True. So what's new besides your Zen mornings? Any big plans?
Well, I'm thinking of taking a short trip. Somewhere quiet. Mountains, maybe.
That sounds amazing. You've always loved nature.
Yeah. I think I just need some fresh air and space.
Maybe that's what I need too. A reset.
We both do. Life gets heavy if you don't pause once in a while.
Agreed. Okay, let's make a deal. We meet here every Saturday morning. Slow morning, no stress.
I love that idea. Same time next week?
Absolutely. And next time, coffee's on me.
Deal!